Welcome to the finished video on this 2016 Peugeot 108 Active Top. This is now fully repaired and ready for sale. It is the 998cc 3-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual gearbox. It's got 2 previous keepers, has 2 keys, it's just had a full service, it's had a new MOT, it's just covered 44,817 miles, and it's just £20 a year to tax. As stated, this is the Active Top model, so it does have a full-length retractable sunroof. It also has remote central locking, electric windows, power steering, cruise control, air conditioning, hill assist, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. If you're enjoying my videos, do subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. It does help promote my channel. Do share it with your friends, because you never know, we might just have a car that they're after. Feel free to leave any comments below, or you can contact me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. And as always, I do thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, and I'll see you again soon in another one.